Welcome to class. I am going to talk about teacher as facilitator and good negotiator. First of all, teacher as a facilitator. A teacher is a facilitator of learning and of the development of the youth. He shall therefore render the best service by providing an environment conducive to such learning and growth. Code of ethics for professional teachers. See, teachers should make them to know about everything in surroundings. Teacher is a learner, in the sense a continuous learner. Then only the teacher can understand everything. For example, in a classroom, if you will take any classroom, average students and below average students and above average students are there. So, teacher must observe all the students and always make them to develop, like emotional development, social development, physical development, mental development, and everything, all round developments, because the students didn't know what is environment. According to Harmer, the term facilitator is used by many authors to describe a particular kind of teacher, one who is democratic rather than autocratic. According to Harmer, see, autocratic teaching is in ancient days, like in ancient period, Gurukulas, Ashrama schools, like that. Here only teacher is the main role in teaching learning process, like teacher centered. So, but democratic teaching is necessary in classroom. In democratic teaching learning process, here students can express their doubts and they can participate in actively. That's why democratic teaching is necessary in classroom in all ways. Teaching and learning in the old paradigm was considered as a task in which instructors were assumed as an inexpert and they were supposed to transfer knowledge to student. But at present it is considered differently. Teaching and learning is complex job. Now a teacher is not a source of knowledge but a facilitator. Nowadays students are getting more information through different ways, like social media, books, surroundings. That's why teacher is a facilitator. He can explain and he can encourage them. According to Thorndike, the learning laws, law of readiness, law of exercise, law of effect, like that. So readiness is necessary to learn everything. Teacher can make them. Teacher conduct classes based on experiment and practice using simulation, role play, dramatization, strip story, group work, pair work, illustrations, and project works instead of simply giving specters like that. Therefore, teachers are more popular known as a facilitator, manager, and imaginer rather than a mirror of a classroom teacher. Negotiator and mainly, okay, according to John Dewey, learning by doing. If they will learn with experiment, they never forget the particular that concept. That's why everything they can learn through experiment. As it is believed that knowledge is constructed by learners from experience, the instructor needs to be guide on the side rather than a sage on the stage. If teaching is a professional job, facilitating is the role of the teacher. Exactly. So teacher always try to be like that and clarify the doubts to students. Learning the art of negotiation can make your classroom a place of constant learning as a strugglers between student or between students and teacher become teachable moment. Every classroom has challenging days and learning to negotiate with the students through all their emotional ups and downs helps the teacher stay balanced, focused in control. That's it. Always teacher can observe the classroom and maintain the all the children's in balanced level. Don't encourage only individually. Encourage the all of them and motivate all of them. Don't pay attention only interest only one child. Okay. Teaching required good communication skills, including when negotiating with parents when they feel their child has been treated unjustly. Make yourself available to communicate with parents at any time during the school. Suppose teacher communicate with their level. Suppose 6th standard or 7th, any classroom, teacher can communicate with their standard level. Language, main language. So, which language can they can understand and which words they can understand easily, that words only can use teacher when will they teach in classroom. That is the main punctuality and discipline in that particular area. The teacher is a reflective practitioner. There is usually discrepancy between what teachers say they believe and the ways in which they act. What could resolve this discrepancy is an attempt to help teachers to become reflective practitioners, such as like that. See here, critical reflection can be fostered by the means of asking number of questions. See, what do my practitioners say about my assumptions, various and beliefs about teaching? Where did their ideas come from? What views of power? Teacher as a negotiator. One of the most important skills teachers need for classroom management is negotiation. Teachers and students have very different relationship than in generations past, as students and parents is more aware of their right and less likely to consider the teacher to be always right. Yes, students believed strongly what teacher said. So teacher is a builder of the knowledge to students. Teacher can clarify what is wrong and what is right. So teacher can give the good examples to them. Automatically they can understand everything. So teacher helps to them to motivate and to learn. Okay.